just coming in, and it's pretty much on time as well. And it's coming in forwards, so that's really good, because it departed backwards. And that's it, everyone's going to get off, they're going to turn it round and ready for the 11:30 departure. I think there's about 3 steam services per day and 3 or 4 diesel that go all the way to New Jalpaiguri junction. And there it is, it's arrived. Yeah, nearly got run over by that one, but nobody minds. And then, so this one's going to pull forward, couple up, and everyone's going to get on it in time for the 11:30 departure. And I've got my own departure to make, so I think I best get on with it. And there goes the engine, which is called the Queen of the Hills, and that was built in 1925. There's all the lucky joyriders that are going to enjoy the next trip now.